Your home is your biggest investment, and it's important to keep it in good condition. That's why it is essential to regularly check your roof for missing shingles, soffits, siding, and other potential damage. Missing shingles can leave your roof at risk to water damage, which can lead to costly repairs. Soffits, or the underside of your roof, provide ventilation for your attic and prevent moisture buildup. When they are missing, your attic can become damp and lead to mold growth and become an apartment building for all types of animals. Damaged siding not only looks unsightly, but also can compromise the insulation and structure issues of your home. By regularly checking your roof for these issues, you can catch them early and prevent problems down the road. So, take the time to inspect your roof and address any missing shingles, soffit, or siding before it's too late. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in protecting your home.